What's up YouTube, Javi here at Javi's Boomtech, and today we're taking our first look at the Diamondboxx L2, so stick around. Alright guys, so I received the Model 2 about 2 days ago, so I haven't had a ton of time with it, but I wanted to go ahead and do this video, give you guys a quick first listen, and also do a loudness test to see if we can hit the claimed 117 decibels that is listed on Diamondboxx's website. Now, if you recall, the original Diamondboxx got around 110, so 117 is definitely a big jump in overall loudness. So we'll go ahead and check that out today. Now, before we get started, I just wanted to mention a few key features that we're getting in the L2 that we weren't seeing in the original Model L. For starters, we've got a total of 6 drivers being powered by much beefier amps, and of course, to drive all that, we've got a much bigger battery that's going to give you improved battery life over the original. Now, obviously, I haven't tested all this, but I will in the next coming weeks, and I'll definitely be doing several more videos. But for today, let's just go ahead and do a quick listen and see if we can reach the max dB output of 117. So let's get started.
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on.
Yeah, in the front row, kicking back old school tracks like damn. Can't get enough of this, more like I don't even know where I am. Ooh, baby, get hyped to the beat, let's go, cause this is our jam. This is our jam. Let's go. Let me break it down right quick for my haters, my dictators and bad raiders. Since you never seem to get it right.
Today I got a call. My baby's coming home. Today I got a call. My baby's coming home. She didn't say when, she didn't say when, but at least I got her on the phone. I asked
the clouds on mine since I met you. Ooh. Heart out of my sleeve, now what will I do? Danger. You celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshined. The planet's totally alive.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let them know who you are. I'm flying up in a bar. I wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Get to cross.
All right, guys, so there you have it. A quick sample and loudness test of the Diamondboxx L2. Now at $1,000, this speaker is by no means cheap. However, you have to remember that the Diamondboxx is one of those rare speakers that has both the excellent sound quality and the loudness to match. I can't tell you how many times I've heard people say, hey, you know what? This speaker sounds amazing, but I wish it just had a little bit more volume. If it had just a little bit more volume, it would be the perfect speaker. Or the flip side of that, I hear people saying, you know what? This speaker gets crazy loud. It's amazing for parties, but I wish it sounded just a little bit better. The Diamondboxx is one of those rare speakers that offers both. And unfortunately, when you find speakers like that, more often than not, your wallet's gonna take a big hit. Now on the feature side, one thing I forgot to mention earlier in the video was that the Diamondboxx L2 comes equipped with the ability to wirelessly pair in stereo to a second unit. And yes, I do have a second unit in-house, and I will be doing a video on how to pair them up and how they sound when you do pair them up in stereo. I'll also go ahead and test out the Bluetooth range when you do connect them to see how far apart you can get them before you start getting dropouts. I'll also just test out the Bluetooth range to a single unit, since I have read some reviews and seen a couple YouTube videos that suggest that the Bluetooth range isn't quite as good as what you were getting on the Model L. Now, speaking of the Model L, I still do have that speaker, and there are quite a bit of upgrades when it comes to the L2 versus the original L, and I'll definitely be doing a video showing those differences as well as the differences in sound for you guys. Now, I am leaving on vacation for about a week and a couple days, so I'm going to try and get one of those videos up before I leave, and then when I return, I'll go ahead and have the other video up for you guys. In the meantime, if you guys have any questions about the L2 or want to see certain comparisons to other speakers, go ahead and drop me a comment down below and I'll see what I can do. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me tonight. Until next time, thanks. Bye.